Good afternoon from cloudy Netherlands, and I'm going to show you this beautiful Suzuki GT380 model 1972 with a special headlight, the drum brake. The bike is in perfect condition. Engine has been rebuilt, so new pistons, bearings, just new tires, new battery, original exhaust. On the pictures you can see all the details very clear. The seat is beautiful, and this paintwork with ink is really amazing. After rebuilding the engine, the bike only runs for maybe 2 kilometers. That's it. So there's not a dent, not a scratch. Only this copper. Maybe find another one. But for the rest, the bike is really top. Tank is clean. You can see it. Tank is clean. New spokes, rims are new, but original with the numbers. Let's see, yeah. The seat is a bit rust, but it's original. All top. Here also the number. What a beauty. So if you are interested in this GT380, contact me, send me a WhatsApp, visit my website vintagemotorcycles.nl or Facebook or Instagram or Tic-Toc, and you know when to find me. You can see the bike in Zomer Eind, the Netherlands, or you can see the bike in a video call. Shipment worldwide, price on request. Customers are from New Zealand, Japan, America, Europe. So don't hesitate to ask me for a price. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.